Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important tools in data analytics, that's Tableau. So, in today's data driven world, the ability to understand and communicate insights from data is very important. So, that's why we use Tableau. Tableau is one of the most powerful and widely used tools for data visualizations and business intelligence. It helps you take raw data from spreadsheets, databases or cloud platforms and turn it into interactive, easy to understand charts and dashboards. So, whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about how data visualization works, this video will help you uh, understand what Tableau is and how it works. I'll walk you through everything from basics to building your first dashboard. So, let's get started. Now that we know what Tableau is, the next step is to get some data to visualize. Kaggle is an excellent resource for this. It understands thousands of free data sets across many topics. So, from businesses to sports to healthcare, Kaggle has all the data sets. First, head over to kaggle.com. So, here we are on kaggle.com. So, if you don't already have an account, click register in the upper right corner and create a free account. So once you have logged in, like I have already logged in, just search for whatever data sets you want. So we'll take the Sample Superstore dataset. So for this video, I'll be using this very popular dataset called Sample Superstore. So it's perfect for beginners. It contains information about sales, profits, and products. So it will make a good visualization. So click on the dataset you choose. Here you'll see an overview of dataset and files included. Usually the datasets are in CSV or Excel format. So click on the download button and the dataset will be downloaded as a zip file. Make sure you extract the file after downloading. Uh, once once you have your data set ready, we are now set to start with Tableau and start visualization. So now let's get Tableau Public installed. Open your web browser and go to public.tableau.com. So once on your Tableau Public homepage, you will see a button saying sign up for free or download the app. Here I've already signed up and downloaded Tableau Public on my system, but when you open the browser page you will see the download the app symbol. You just have to click on that and this will start downloading the Tableau Public installer. It's available for both Windows and Mac. So once the download finishes, find the installer in your downloads folder and double click it to begin installation. Now just follow the installation prompts and Tableau is installed in few minutes. So once installed, Tableau Public will automatically launch. If it doesn't, you can open it manually from your desktop. You can search Tableau Public and open manually. And that's it. Now we are all set and ready to load our dataset into Tableau, start visualizing. You must be wondering why we are using Tableau Public instead of the paid version of Tableau. Well, it's because it is completely free and designed for students, beginners, and data enthusiasts who want to build and share interactive dashboards without needing a paid license. So it gives you access to most of Tableau's powerful features like drag and drop visualizations, filters, maps, charts, and dashboards, just like in the full version. The main difference is that all your dashboards are published publicly on Tableau's online platform, which means anyone with a link can view your work. This is actually a great thing for students or people building portfolios. You can easily share your Tableau public link on LinkedIn. You can share it in your resume or with hiring managers to showcase your skills. Plus, it is perfect for YouTube tutorials like this because anyone watching can follow along without needing to pay or install the pro version. Let's import our dataset and start visualizing. On the left side of the Tableau Public Start screen, you will see an option called Connect. Under Connect, select the type of file you downloaded from Kaggle. Usually, it's a CSV or an Excel file. Since our dataset is a CSV file, I'll select text file. Navigate to the folder where you extracted your Kaggle dataset and select your Excel file and click Open. After opening your file, Tableau automatically shows a preview of the data. Here you can see all columns such as sales, profit, quantity, category, city, state, everything. On the bottom, there is an option to view your data in different sheets if your file has multiple sheets. Uh, to begin visualizing, you'll need to drag the sheet containing your data into the main workspace. So this is already dragged. I'll just drag it like this. Yeah. And that's it. Your data set is now successfully imported into Tableau Public. You are ready to start visualizing. Let's quickly understand what we are seeing in Tableau after importing the Superstore dataset. So Tableau divides your data into two types, dimensions and measures. So dimensions are shown with ABC icon or a globe symbol. These are categorical fields, basically labels that describe your data. They are found to slice and group the numbers into your charts. Here are some of the dimensions in our Superstore dataset. Uh, Category contains categories like furniture, office supplies, technology, and city, state, country, postal code is used for location based analysis. Uh, Ship mode tells us how the order was delivered. Segment uh, is like consumer, corporate, and region. Uh, it's the geographical regions like east, west, south. The subcategory is finer breakdown of products like chairs, phones, binders. We'll use this to group and filter our data. Now let's look at measures. These are numeric fields marked with a hash symbol. They are actual values we want to analyze. So sales tells us how much money was made, profit is how much profit was gained, quantity is how many units were sold, discount is what discount was applied. These are the numbers we'll be visualizing using charts like bar graphs, line graphs, and pie charts. And then we also have latitude and longitude. Uh, these are automatically created based on your city or state fields. They help Tableau build maps with our geographic data so we can show sales by state on an actual map. And then here on the top, we have Sample Superstore. Here on the bottom, we have below latitude and longitude Sample Superstore.csv. It just tells us this dataset came from the file we imported. So understanding this layout is super important because we start dragging fields into rows, columns, color or size. It all comes from the sidebar. So basically dimensions is categories which is used to group data, and measures are numbers which are used to analyze data. Doing calculations before visualizing is a best practice in Tableau. It helps clean, organize, and create new insights from your data. You can calculate things like profit margin, average discount, sales per quantity. So let's calculate profit margin. On the data pane, you just have to click right click. Here we'll do a right click on profit and we'll click on create and then on calculated fields. And we'll name this file. We'll name this file as profit margin. Profit margin will be profit by sales. And we'll click on OK. And this gives us the profit margin. Let's do sales per quantity. We'll right click on sales, create calculated field. Sales by quantity. Let's do another one. Let's do a discount flag. So the margin value, let's create the margin value tells us how much money we actually make per dollar sold. So the margin value tells us how much money we actually make per dollar sold. It's calculated as profit divided by sales. So this lets us compare product performance regardless of the price. And the sales per quantity helps us see which products are sold at a higher price point. This can help in pricing and marketing decisions. Now we'll do discount flag. So this field lets us label whether each transaction had a high or low discount. We can then filter our color charts based on this. Do okay, we have discount flag. Now let's do profit category for low, medium, and high. We'll group our profits into categories like loss, low, medium, and high profit. This is super useful for filtering and storytelling. Now we'll do a profit after discount. This advanced calculation estimates how much more profit we would make if no discount was applied. It's useful for evaluating discount policies. So our third visualization will be profit category distribution, and let's do a pie chart for that. So profit category distribution shows how transactions are spread across profit performance levels. So for that we'll have to drag profit category to rows. And let's drag sales to columns. You can either drop sales or profit to columns or to create count or total based pie segments. Yeah, let's click on the pie chart, profit category. Profit. Yeah, so this pie chart uh, shows how our transactions fall into categories like loss, low, medium, or high profit. This helps us visually grasp how many transactions are actually profitable. Our fourth visualization will be profit margin versus sales. It helps us see relationship between sales volume and profitable efficiency. So let's drag sales to columns, profit margin to rows. And let's do a scatter plot for this. Uh, a s- this is the scatter plot. Yeah. And now we'll drag category to color and quantity to size, and we can increase, let's reduce the size a little bit, and we will drag subcategory to detail. And we'll filter it by region. This would be optional to filter it by region, but let's do east and south. So each point here is a product type. We are comparing how much we sell versus how profitable those sales are. The color helps group by category and size shows how many units were sold. Let's do one more visualization. We'll do a profit after a discount by state. So it helps us to estimate potential profit gain without discount, and this will be shown geographically. So for that, we'll just double click on state, and this will auto create a map. Then we'll drag profit after discount to color, and drag profit to tooltip, and also discount to tooltip, and we'll filter it by, let's filter it by category. Let's do furniture. So this map shows estimated profit if discounts weren't applied. It helps us see if discounts are really helping or hurting our profitability by state. So these are some of the most common visualization charts used. Now before creating our dashboard, let's label each of our sheets. This will be profit margin by subcategory. This will be sales per quantity by category and segment. This will be profit category distribution. The scatter plot will be profit margin versus sales. This map will be a profit after discount by state. Now let's create a new dashboard. Uh, we'll have to click on new dashboard icon over here and it opens this page. So it's a blank canvas where we'll arrange all of our visualizations. First, click on size and select automatic. This uses the whole page. So I've set the canvas size to automatic so that Tableau adjusts the layout to fit our screen uh, or the device we are using. Now we'll drag sheets onto the dashboard. Now we'll drag the first sheet over here and the second sheet over here. I'm dragging in our charts one at a time. Now let's add our dashboard to our Tableau profile. For that, you'll click on File and click on Save to Tableau Public as. And let's give a dashboard title. We'll keep this one as Superstore Sales and Profitability Insights. And we'll save. And this is what it looks like here. And that's it. We have gone from downloading a dataset on Kaggle to building interactive, insightful visualization and publishing a full dashboard using Tableau Public. So, whether you're a student building your data portfolio or someone looking to improve their data skills, I hope this walkthrough helped you learn something new. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can find the link to my dashboard in the description. And if you build your own version, tag me. I would love to see it. Thanks for watching and happy visualizing.